Finally, we now have the exact pricing of the DJI Avata 360 drone. Pricing starts at $426 US buyer's brace for $999 Fly More combo. This is the first look in retail box. Leaks point toward DJI staging a China-centric launch for the Avata 360 in March 2026. The FCC reveals that DJI has settled on a 38.67 Wh battery for a circa 22% energy increase over the Avata 2. The Avata 360 is a DJI FPV drone with 360 video recording capability. DJI Avata 360 drone is coming to compete against the Antigravity A1 drone. The DJI Avata 360 will capture 368K video from larger twin 1.1-inch sensors, probably with the same specs as the DJI Osmo 360, but can also be flown as normal FPV drone. With the touch of a button, the 360 camera turns to frontal view right side up and you will be able to fly it like any other DJI drone. The Avata 360 is tipped to officially weigh less than 250 grams. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.